In this video, we will show you how to take age restriction off on YouTube channel. Unfortunately, YouTube just have two options. Okay, after you are logged in, you can just click settings in the channel and advanced settings. There is just two options to select your content will be made for kids or not. So the kids criteria is below 14, and if no, you can select this, but this is only and the kids cannot see your video if they age below 14, and of course they must log in using email to have this. And that's all. And we cannot just take off all age restriction because sometimes it's will not comply with the children's online privacy. Hope this video helpful for you.